Have you ever wondered why insurance seems to be an inevitable part of our lives? It's not just a piece of paper, but a promise of protection. From the cradle to the grave, it's the invisible safety net that cushions the blows of life's unexpected turns. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, auto, or home, each plays a unique role in offering financial security when we need it most. It's complex, it's critical, and it's fascinating. Stay tuned to unravel the world of insurance. To understand insurance, we must first get to grips with the basics. Insurance, at its core, is a method of protection against financial loss. It's a risk management strategy, essentially a safety net for unexpected circumstances. Now you might wonder, how does it work? Well, it's relatively straightforward. You pay a small, regular amount known as a premium, and in return, the insurance company agrees to cover certain types of losses that may occur. But let's break it down a bit further. There are a few key terms you need to understand. First off, a policy is the contract between you and the insurance company. It outlines what losses are covered, what the premiums are, and other important details. Then there's the premium, the amount you pay to the insurance company for this coverage. Next up is the deductible, the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. And finally, we have the claim. This is essentially a request for payment based on the terms of the insurance policy. So in essence, insurance is a bit like a lifeline. You pay a small amount regularly to the insurer, and in return they agree to step in and cover larger costs if certain situations arise. It's about sharing risk and providing peace of mind. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the different insurance policy options. Insurance policies are not one size fits all. They come in many shapes and sizes. Imagine them like pieces in a puzzle, each designed to protect a different aspect of your life. Let's start with life insurance. It's the knight in shining armor that steps in when you're no longer around, ensuring your loved ones don't bear the financial burden. There are two main types: term life insurance, which covers you for a specified term, and whole life insurance, that covers you for your entire lifespan. Next on the list is health insurance, the superhero that swoops in to cover medical expenses. From hospitalization to medication, it's got you covered. There are various types to consider, such as individual, family floater, and senior citizen policies, each with its own unique features and benefits. Then we have auto insurance. Whether you're driving a compact car or a luxury SUV, this policy helps protect you against financial loss in case of accidents. Comprehensive and collision coverages are two main types you'll encounter. Property insurance, on the other hand, safeguards your home and possessions against damage or theft. Homeowners and renters insurance are two popular types. Lastly, there's liability insurance. This policy covers legal costs and payouts if you're held responsible for damages or injuries to others. Understanding your policy options is essential, but knowing how to choose the right one is even more critical. Let's explore some pro tips. Choosing the right insurance policy can be a daunting task, but with the right tips, you can make an informed decision. When it comes to selecting the right policy, it's not only about the price, it's about understanding what's covered and what's not. Be sure to read the fine print and ask questions. Remember, the cheapest policy may not always offer the best protection. When looking for an insurance provider, don't just focus on their reputation. Yes, a well-established company is great, but also consider their customer service. How quickly do they respond to claims? What do other customers say about their experiences? These are crucial aspects that can make a big difference when you need your policy the most. In terms of making the most out of your insurance, it's all about staying informed. Keep up with changes in your policy or in the insurance industry. If your circumstances change, like buying a new car or moving to a new home, inform your provider immediately. This way, you'll ensure your coverage is always up to date. Negotiate your premiums. Yes, you heard that right. Many insurance providers offer discounts if you bundle multiple policies like home and auto insurance, or if you have a good track record. So don't shy away from asking for a better deal. With these pro tips, you'll be well equipped to make smart insurance decisions. Now let's look at some emerging trends in the insurance industry. The insurance industry is constantly evolving. Let's explore some of the latest trends. One of the biggest shifts we're seeing is the move towards digital insurance. This is effectively leveraging technology to simplify the process of buying and managing insurance. It's all about convenience and speed. Imagine getting your policy, making claims, and receiving payouts, all at the click of a button. Then there's the trend of personalized policies. Traditional one-size-fits-all insurance plans are becoming a thing of the past. Instead, insurers are now offering policies that are custom-tailored to your unique needs and lifestyle. Whether it's a health insurance plan that takes into account your fitness regime or a car insurance policy that's based on how safe a driver you are, it's all about making insurance more relevant and beneficial to you. Finally, we're seeing a shift in how insurance is perceived. It's no longer just a safety net for when things go wrong, but also a tool for risk management and financial planning. People are increasingly recognizing the value of having insurance to protect their assets, secure their future, and provide peace of mind. These trends are not just exciting, they're changing the way we think about and interact with insurance. They're making it more user-friendly, efficient, and most importantly, personal. These trends are shaping the future of insurance. Now let's look at some real-life case studies to understand the importance of insurance better. Real-life stories often offer the best insight. Let's look at some case studies. Consider Jane, a single mother who didn't have health insurance. When she fell ill, she was saddled with a hefty hospital bill that left her in crippling debt. Now, compare her situation with that of John, a retiree who had a comprehensive health insurance policy. When he faced a similar health crisis, his insurance covered most of his medical expenses, allowing him to focus on recovery rather than financial stress. Then there's the case of the Smith family. They hadn't thought home insurance was necessary until a fire devastated their home. The loss was devastating both emotionally and financially. In contrast, the Johnson family, who had a comprehensive home insurance policy, managed to rebuild their lives quickly after a similar incident, thanks to their coverage. These stories show us the tangible benefits of insurance. Now, let's conclude by summarizing the importance of insurance. Insurance is more than just a financial safety net, it's peace of mind. It's the shield that guards us from the unpredictable storms of life. It's the parachute that catches us when we fall, and the safety line that pulls us back from the edge of financial ruin. It's the helping hand in our hour of need, and the comforting arm around our shoulders during our darkest moments. Remember, insurance is not a cost, but an investment in your peace of mind. Thank you for watching.